Welcome to Emilac Online Tutorial. Before us is this IGCSE A-level math question. Okay, and it says that the diagram above shows the line with equation y equals 10 minus x, which is this straight line, and the curve with equation y equals 10x minus x raised to the power of 2 minus 8. Now the line and the curve intersect at point A and B, and O is the origin, which is this. Now we are told to calculate the coordinate of A and B. Now first of all, for us to do this, now take note that this is the curve starting from here, down here, and this straight line. Now, and they tend to intercept at this point and at this point. Okay, now for the fact that they intercept, then we can now see, now for the curve we have that y equals 10x minus x raised to the power of 2 minus 8. Okay, and for the line we have y equals 10 minus x. Now for the fact that they intercept, now we can equate these two equations. Okay, so you see that we plug in this y into this equation here, or we plug whichever way. All right, so but I'll make use of this one. So here we can now say that what 10 minus x equals 10x minus x squared minus 8. Okay, now let us bring the whole of the equation on the right hand side to the left hand side. So here we have 10 minus x minus 10x, then plus x squared plus 8 equals 0. Now we can rearrange and collecting like terms. Now here we have x squared. Okay, now minus x minus 10x, that should give us minus 11x. Okay, then 10 plus 8 will give us 18 plus 18, all equals to 0. Now here we now come up with a quadratic equation. All right, in this case now we need to factorize. Okay, by factorizing, here we have what we're going to multiply to give us positive 18, two factors, and we add same to get negative 11. So here we have, bring out our x. Now that's those two products will definitely be minus 9 and minus 2. So here we have minus 9, then x minus 2, then all equals to 0. Now to this end, we can conclude that x equals 9 or x equals 2. Okay, all right. Now that we've gotten the values of x, which is 9 and 2, let us now plug in the value of this x into either of the equations. Okay, and to this end, let me make use of this because it's more simpler. So we can say y equals 10 minus x. Now for x equals 9, now this will give us 10 minus 9 will give us 1. Then in this case, for x equals 2, we can say this is 10 minus 2, which will give us what? 8. Okay, all right. Now to this end, so we can conclude now that, okay, now since here we have 8, y at 8, and here we have 1. Okay, so which means when x is 9, our y is 1, and when x is 2, our y is 8. Now to this end, which of them here can we allot for A and B? Now if we can take a look at here, we'll see that our x here should be a smaller one compared to the one here. So if we draw this line down, now this line down also, then here, now this. Okay, all right, so here let us say this is our x1, our x2, y1, and y2. Now to this end, now it implies that y1, which is a smaller one, y1, so here this should be 1, okay, and here should be 9. Then for our x should be a smaller one here, which is 2, and this should be, sorry, our y, okay, x, this should be 9. Sorry, our this a here should be 8. Okay, so for our a, the coordinate of a will then be 2 and 8, that is x and y, 2 and 8. Then for b, we have x, 9, and 1. Okay, all right, that's the coordinate for a and b. All right, now let's move on to the next one. Now for us to calculate for the exact area of R, and here is R here. Now let's take cognizant of the curve which starts from here, run through and down. Now, and the line cuts across the curve. So let us zoom. Now here is the curve, okay, and the line cuts. Take note that the total area is all the curve here. Now a line cut across, okay. Now for us to determine the area of this part being shaded, it means we have to calculate that is the area of the curve minus the area in which this line has gotten off. Okay, all right, so then how do we achieve this? Now we apply the integration. Okay, so taking the integral now of the curve, which is 10x minus x raised to the power of 2 minus 8. Now take note, it has limits, okay, now from here and here, so we have to take it 9 and 2. So this is 9, the upper limit, and the lower limit 2. Then minus, now the integral of the line also, taking the limit 9 and 2. So we have 10 minus x. All right, so if you are to integrate here, now this will give us 10 x raised to the power of 2 all over 2, then minus x raised to the power of 3 all over 3, then minus 8x. Okay, then here you have 9 and 2, then minus this one will give us 10x, then minus x raised to the power of 2 all over 2. Then here you have 9 and 2. Okay, all right, so to this end here now, I guess I'll need to, okay, let's solve this part. Here we have 10, then we plug in the value of 9. So that will be the value of 9 for x minus the value of 2 for x here. So here we have 9 to the power of 2 all over 2, then minus 9 to the power of 3 all over 3, then minus 8 times 9. Okay, now then minus, here we have 10, then for the 2 raised to the power of 2 all over 2, then minus 2 raised to the power of 3 all over 3, then minus 8 into 2. Okay, all right, that is that for that. So if I to probably use a calculator here, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 5, 2 here, 1, 2 here, then 5. Now, making use of our calculator here, we then to have, so there we have it. Now here we have 9 raised to the power of, which is 81, times 5 will give us 405. 9 to the power of 3 divided by 3 will give us 243. 8 times 9, 72. Then minus 5 times 4 will give us 20. That because this is 2 raised to the power of 2. Then 2 raised to the power of 3, which is 8, now divided by 3, then minus 16. Now take note, the whole of this is just the expansion of the the left hand side of the expression. Okay, so let us now find the final value of this expression. Okay, so there we have it. So the whole of this will give us 90. Now the whole of this, that is 20 minus 16, that will be 4. So here we have 4, that is just 4 minus 8 all over 3, which will give us 12 minus 8 all over 3, and that will give us 90 minus 4 over 3. And simplifying further, we have 270 minus 4 all over 3, which will give us 266 all over 3. Now, so the value for this expression here is what? 266 all over 3. Now let us solve the next one. So I'll probably want to clean this part of the board so that we need more space. So here we have, now this is 10 times 9, then minus 9 to the power of 2 all over 2. Okay, then minus 10 times 2, then minus 2 raised to the power of 2 all over 2, and this will give us 90 minus 81 all over 2, then minus, this will be 20 minus 4 all over 2. Okay, the whole of this actually give us 2, so this will give us 2. Okay, so after which here you have 180 minus 81 all over 2, then minus, here we have 18. Okay, so after which we have, so which then give us 180 minus 81 over 2 minus 18. Now 180 minus 81 will give us 99 over 2. Then after which we have 99 all over, that will be 99 minus 36 all over 2, and that should give us that will be 63 all over 2. Alright, now the whole expression here will now become 266 all over 3, which is the answer to the left part of the expression, then minus 63 all over 2, which is for the right hand side. Now at the end of the day, our final answer here then becomes, so there we have it. Finding the LCM here, we arrive at this fraction, and 532 minus 189 will then give us 343 all over 6, which is the final answer. Alright, if you love what I've just done, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified for all my videos in physics and mathematics. Thank you and God bless you.